Today's video is about whether there's a beef or lyrical war between dancehall artist Mavado and Popcaan. I hate to be the bearer of bad news or good news depending on what you like. If you are for clash or against clash, the truth is there is no beef, and unless these artists are being tight-lipped, are in deep denial, which is not really their MO. According to the booking agent for Popcaan, Sharon Burke, CEO of Solid Agency, there is no beef, feud or issue between the two artists. Contrary to what has been buzzing on social media, Sharon Burke has rubbished this allegation. According to sources, and which is a popular belief, this beef all started when Popcaan posted a song called "Are We Still a Win" or aka World Cup, which many YouTube channels labeled and posted as a diss track in response to Mavado's song Big League. If you really think about it, was Mavado's song Big League a diss track at Beenie Man and not Popcaan? So why would Popcaan respond to a diss track that was never aimed at him in the first place? This should be the first red flag that this is not a beef. On the other hand, I see where people get the impression because Popcaan song said we don't know about Big League because we name World Cup. People, this is a case where mixed signals were sent. There is, however, a shadow of a doubt, and we cannot say with 100% surety that this song was aimed at Mavado. This Popcaan response song only helped to fuel the fire as the song wrapped up tens of thousands of views on YouTube, Instagram, and social media, with fans immediately giving the song rave review and hyping up the beef. With every action, there's a reaction, so when Mavado posted a cryptic message on his Instagram page, fans immediately assumed that he was responding to Popcaan's song. This fuel and the fire was amped up by a millionfold. This is what the post read. Some little artist boy, if you know them blood clot self, don't make it forget that because them know it a go. When you're talking about the Dan, have some respect like you're talking to your mom. Them dead to me. Don't make it start, just know that. Loyal fans of Popcaan immediately took offense to the post and blasted Mavado for fire and shot at their unruly boss. They posted stuff like a Popcaan around the place now. Easy yourself, Vado, a one done and a unruly. What was even worse and ignited the fire even more was when many popular YouTube music channels uploaded and labeled Mavado's latest song Go For Them as a Popcaan diss. This was the final piece of evidence that the fans wanted to seal this as a bona fide beef or clash. Some people are speculating that the reason for the beef is because Mavado did a collaboration with Alkaline called Farewell, and Popcaan and Alkaline are beefing. People, Mavado and Alkaline are separate artists. Mavado is free to do whatever song he wants with whatever artist he chooses. Alkaline's beef is Alkaline's beef and Mavado's beef is Mavado's beef. No one can dictate to Mavado what he should do. It is the same with Popcaan. This is a situation. People are so hungry for a good clash right now, and while they are willing to defend their artists to the death, deep down they like the excitement that a clash brings to dancehall, especially when the one guaranteed source for a clash in dancehall Sting is now on its dying bed. People, I am not trying to tell you what you should believe, but on one hand you have speculations and allegations, while on the other hand you have Sharon Burke, the agent for Popcaan and close friend and associate of Mavado, rubbishing the claims. You cannot get any better source than that. Let me repeat if you did not hear me the first time. She said that this is the first time she's hearing about this beef. She said that Solid Agency and Mavado are friends. Mavado and other Solid Agency artists such as Bounty Killer and Agent Sasko are friends. So if the people that are in the immediate circles don't know about it, that means it don't exist. People, so we've heard from Popcaan's rep, but we have not heard from Mavado. But we must ask ourselves, what is the reason or motive for them to beef? I don't know any. Both are very successful, plus there is no issue of them warring in the past. To dig even deeper, even though Mavado had a feud with Vybz Kartel back when Popcaan was part of the Gaza Empire, I don't know if I would label Popcaan a Vybz Kartel loyalist. Vybz Kartel and Mavado squashed that beef years ago, so I don't think there's any possibility of an indirect reignition. So that theory goes out the door. We must remember that in 2014, Mavado was featured in the remix of Popcaan's Everything Nice. Popcaan and Drake are friends. Mavado is friend with Drake. Mavado is signed to DJ Khaled, which is a partner with Cash Money YMCMB. Drake is affiliated with YMCMB Cash Money. All these people are direct or indirectly in the same link. They are all making big money. They have no need to beef. If there was ever a misunderstanding, they would squash that internally like corporate thugs. At the end of the day, the reason why these artists don't come out and say that there is no beef is because they know that these so-called beef will generate buzz, and buzz is good for views and business. Why would they try to squash something that brings them more highlight? We've all heard the saying, there is no such thing as bad press. We must all realize that the reason why these music channels add this to titles of certain songs and certain artists is because they are trying to create a manufactured beef, which creates a bigger buzz, more views, more money, more subscribers. My subscribers, please excuse me, but before I go, I want to address a little idiot channel called SoFlo TV. Let me repeat, SoFlo TV, SOUFLO TV. You know the frog eye, goofy, corny, wannabe comedian, failed poet and artist now turned vlogger with the go-go tattoos. This little nincompoop graduate dunce is going to have the audacity to say that he's not trying to highlight me. Nigga, how would you highlight me when I have 24 million views, 55,000 subscribers plus? That is almost 4 times what you have. Little trailer trash nigga, did you check to see that I have multiple videos with millions of views and hundreds of thousands of views when I just used to do mixes. Nigga, I am stepping into your lane and I don't need anyone's permission. Fuck you and fuck your feelings, you fucking bitch ass. You think I did not see you throwing your little sneak disses for months? I ignored you because I knew that you were sensitive because of your fear. I left it up to time so you could eat your fucking words. See, I did not have a problem with your sneak disses because I know that is what little bitches do. The moral of the story is this: don't talk shit about people when you are thieving their ideas and rewording them in your videos. Nigga, I came directly to you as a man when I recently posted a video about Tommy Lee targeted like Vybz Kartel by the police, and it included an interview that Vybz Kartel did in 2010. You then did a video about 2 hours later about the same thing and basically said the same thing that was in the interview from 2010, but you remixed it and reworded it. That is not coincidental, and you know it and I know it. So you can come on YouTube and lie and deny. I care zero. The fact is, whether you deny it or not, it is what it is. The fact. Little Niglet SoFlo TV, let's get one thing straight. I cannot take anything from you. You do not inspire me. You don't have anything or any information that I might want. The difference between you and I is that I have direct link. Your link is in your fucking mind. What you see other people doing. Let's get that fucking straight. Don't have to wait for fans to tell me what is going on in the dancehall industry. Our styles and resources are completely different. Stats show that whatever you do not affect me, vice versa. Why would I try to bring you down? I know you're a piece of shit and I'm letting you know directly. Unlike you, I don't deliberately post propaganda videos for views. I don't have to make up shit or fabricate shit. I live in the land of make-believe and pretense. Nigga, you are reaching. That is called writer's block and desperation. Mr. Big Ego, I challenge you to create a topic that is not trending on YouTube and talk about and see how you sound last. Nigga, you are a hot topic Xerox channel. If Chin don't lick gully bop in his head or something like that don't happen, you are lost. Listen to you and listen to me. You are a fairy tale teller. I am versatile, multi-dimensional. Plus, I stick to the facts. I don't just list shit just to fucking get little views. Boy, you are really lost. How can you give me promotion when I have almost 4 times the amount of subscribers that you have? I have a website with over 1,000 items that I guarantee is making more money than whatever you make on YouTube. That is your problem. Your ego is misleading you. You're a fucking fool. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Sorry I had to waste so much time on this nerd. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.